Hi everyone, my name is Jeana and welcome to this video. It is Monday, December 30th. It is my man's Joshua Hong's birthday. He's a member of 17 and today I will be making his artist-made perfume collection set. This is a DIY, build your own perfume situation. Every member of 17 was given the option to create any merch, design whatever you want, and he made a little DIY perfume set. I also got the keychains, and I did get the one that has the perfume recipe on there. We also have his video of him designing this whole set and choosing his fragrance as well, or like building his own fragrance. I feel like this is so like up my alley. Like, he's my favorite member, but also I'm a big enthusiast of fragrances. I work in the beauty industry. Fragrances are my thing, so much so that I went to Australia and went to a place that like does your own like DIY fragrances, and it's called Prospect Project in Perth, Australia. And I literally made this fragrance and I called it Perth Dreams, and you can see the day that I made it, the 21st of October in last year, maybe in 2023 depending on when you watch this. But I designed this and they let me take all the little papers home too of like what ingredients I used in this and like what bases I needed. So yeah, that was really fun. I was going to pull that out for you all, like the paper, like me writing down everything I wanted in this fragrance, but I didn't want to do that because it was somewhere buried in my closet. Anyway, let us experience this all together. Here it is, the 17 Joshua collection. You kind of can see it. 17 artist made Joshua Pause perfume DIY kit. Yes, everything else doesn't have anything on it. In the back. Every time I open this, it just smells like oranges. Should I read you all the instructions? This is not an unboxing. I'm like actually trying to do it. Step 1. Drop 1 or 2 droplets of the fragrance at the end of the bottle strip. It's wait to let the alcohol evaporate before smelling the fragrance. Yada yada yada. Honestly, I don't care. Let's just do the damn thing. Oh, I'm sorry. He included little ingredient lists, recipes, and like little blotting strips. I just love that detail. I was like, wow, that's really nice. Let me do the unboxing of like all the items at least. I am going to unbox the photo card. Let's see. I don't really care for photo cards. I only carry one, but okay. It smells like the fragrance. I'm telling you. I don't know if it was randomized, like which one you get, or if you had to. But wow. Wow. Simple wood vanilla. Oh, can y'all see the intricate love and care he put in this? Oh my gosh, my green screen is glitching out a little bit, but well, that was fun. I'm gonna say goodbye to this card now because what am I gonna do with that? I may or may not be overwhelmed by fragrances right now. Like, the box is open right underneath me and I am going through it. When I first got this box, the fragrances were like disheveled, but I put them back in where they're supposed to go. But I'm so excited. I don't know. It looks like Le Labo, which is very fun. I wish he included like a little label to figure out like what the fragrance is like. Oh, and he included a freaking travel size. Like, that's a fragrance, that's a travel size. I thought that's very cute. He only said it's like 10 ml. Hey Siri, what is 10 ml into ounces?
10 milliliters is 0.34 fluid ounces.
That's actually not a lot of fragrance in his recipe. So unless I like do the math and like double all of his all of his ingredients, I might actually have to like make my own ingredients, like my own fragrance. So I'm gonna pull them all out of their little box and set them right in front of me. And I feel like we should go through this whole journey together. I'm gonna keep the fragrances, like these guys, in the box until I need to use them. I'm gonna unwrap them and see what they all smell like. I should have done this off camera, but no. We're here for the live action. Luckily, shouldn't be too much of an issue. Okay, we have all the fragrances unwrapped. Let me smell them. I don't think I'm gonna put them on the blotting papers because I feel like that's a lot of work. I just want to build like his fragrance. That's it. Let's start off with winter. Actually, this is a 10-ounce bottle, so that's how much fragrance I'm gonna be making for his, so let's see. I hope I do not drop any of these. Oh! I have no idea what that is. I know he likes like woody and musky scents, but oh my gosh, this is number 1. Oh, they're in order. Maybe I should do them in order because they kind of fell out of their order. It's like spicy, woody. I don't know. Interesting. Sunday morning. Sunday morning. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I like the scent initially, and then at the back end there's like a whiff of like Vicks or something like that hits you. This one is Dear Dear. Dear Dear. I'm like, oh crap. I feel like it's almost herbal. I don't know what I'm smelling. Every time I smell fragrances, they have to take me on a journey. Love Road. Luckily, these are all in order. Wow, I can't believe I clocked them in the right order. Ooh, this one's softer. I don't know. I don't know why. It's reminding me of like walking outside on a cold morning. I don't even know if that makes sense. Tender Ground. Tender Ground. This one's like citrusy. I don't know, I think I like this one. This is the next one. Fresh Me. Fresh Me. Ooh, I feel like I smelled this before. Why do I feel like this one has like coriander? I don't know. I feel like this is something like Jo Malone would have. But not Jo Malone. Maybe like Le Labo? Alright. Okay, let's just do it. Oh! Oh! I almost dropped all of it! So we got the cup, the measuring cup with milliliters on it. Let's just do it. Let's make his recipe. It's a fairly simple thing.
이 우드향 윈터.
I have in 2X by the way.
너무 좋습니다. 이건 일단
5 ml of winter.
다음에는 썬데이 모닝.
Sunday morning.
이게 약간 그 향이 나네요. 그 연필향. 이거를 2.5ml.
2.5 ml.
마지막 딱 10ml까지 채워주면 제가 원하는 향이 나옵니다, 여러분. 윈터를 5ml 넣고 썬데이 모닝을 2.5ml 넣고 Dear 2.5ml 넣었어요.
Alright.
이 정도 섞으면 충분한 것 같아요. 이게 처음 만들 때
Let's do it. Let's do it. Where's that card? Did I just put that away? Like he had a blue card on the table. Oh, it was all this with his signature on it. Should I open it? That's really cute that he like lets you write out your recipes. Oh, and he included the recipe here too. So that's really nice. That's really nice. Oh, and then like the second one's like for you to autograph and stuff. That's really cute. I don't know. It's like, of course he would do that, but I don't know, it's very cute. Oh, remember when like I just said, oh, I wish he had labels. This is the label. This is the label for his fragrance. I love that. I love that. I feel like if it was me like designing this, I would be so into the details too. Oh. Now I have to be nervous about putting the sticker on correctly. But there's only one bottle. You have to decide if you're gonna do like Joshua's fragrance or like your fragrance on the bottle. I am nervous now. I'm gonna just go off of the keychain. He said 5 ml of winter. By the way, winter is like extra yellow for some reason. I know you can't see, but like compared to all of them in front of me, let me see if I'm gonna hold them without like dropping them. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. I feel like one of them is like not as tightly closed. Anyway, I'm not gonna do that. Just trust me. Just trust me that winter is like actually yellow. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Okay. We have winter. I don't know if I love this one. But I'm doing it. Ah. Wait, isn't that like half of this bottle? Wait, this bottle's a 10 ml. Like, look at how much I've already like used of it. Okay. Well, that's a lot. Joshua, do you really like this fragrance? Do you wear this? Okay, that is 5 ml. That is 5 ml. Okay, I'm so nervous. 2.5 of Sunday morning and then 2.5 of Dear Dear. Okay, Joshua, I trust you. I feel like this one, me reviewing them again, this one's nice. It's pretty citrusy. Ah! Oh my god. Basically like halfway. I think that's half. No, it's still pretty close to 5 in my opinion. Oh my god, what if I don't make his set correctly? And I like wasted half of the bottle. It could be close, right? It could be close. Okay, I'm gonna fill up the rest with Dear Dear. Wait, I feel like that's a lot. Okay, okay, it's at 10 ml. It's at 10 ml. And I'm just gonna swirl them. I was going to put it in this bad boy, but do you see how much I made? This is only 10 ml of fragrance. Like, that's like nothing in comparison to these jars. So I'm gonna put in the little travel spray because I don't want to do the math to like figure out how much I need to like be in the regular size bottle. I don't want to make a lot because like what if I want to mix like other ingredients and like build my own perfume again? Okay. Sounds like alcohol when you make it at first. That's what's happening to me.
냅두고 반응하고 기대감, 설레임 그 있잖아요. 그 향수를 맡기 전에 그래서 한 일주일 정도 숙성시키고 쓰시면 될 것 같아요. 하고 기대감, 설레임 정도 냅두고 반응하고 쓰시는 게 아니라 일주일 정도 그냥 냅두고
Okay, in his you could tell like how little he made as well.
냅두고 반응하고 기대감, 설레임 그 있잖아요. 그 향수를 맡기 전에.
We're doing it. We're doing it. In goes this. I'm holding everything in my hand. I'm doing it. Ah! Oh, I almost spilled. Okay. This is a nice funnel. I like it. It actually is a good amount. Like 10 ml. 10 ml. I know he said to like wait a week. But I'm gonna shake it and pray that I don't drop this. Okay. I shook it up. Now there's bubbles in there. I'm gonna wait for that to dissolve real quick before I spray it. I'm just gonna spray it on me. Like, I don't care. Okay, I'm nervous. Ooh. Okay, the nozzle's kind of strong on this one. I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I like it. It's quite strong at first. It's actually pretty complex. You can smell the aquatic, you can smell like fruitiness in it. I'm gonna spray it on me and I'm just gonna live the rest of my day. So this is the end of the video because I feel like in order to create my own scent, I need to truly like be in my own time, get my own element, and then I'll like create something. Usually I spray it like a couple times. Okay, I'll do it. We gotta wait a week and we gotta see what's up. This was my experience of doing Joshua's artist made kit. I have it on me. You know, I could imagine him wearing this set. I could. Anyway, what was this video? I'm gonna go now. This was such a fun and pleasurable experience. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Happy birthday to Joshua Hong. Hope you have a great rest of your birthday. Whatever, he's not gonna see this. Shout out to all the other December 30th birthdays. Y'all are cute. I'm wishing you all the best. Bye friends, bye. Nice to see you. Goodbye.